Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video, you already learned about the order of operation with multiplication and division. So for this video, I will combine both these operations in one calculation. Something like you got 5 times 3 and then divide by 5. Okay, so how can you work with this order? You can see here in this calculation, you only have multiplication and division. So just like the addition and subtraction, you take from the left to right hand side. So for this one, I will take the operation from left to right. From left, I got the first operation is 5 times 3. You got 15 in here, and then it's divided by 5. So 15 divided by 5, you got 3. Okay, so don't forget repeat divide by 5 in this case. Okay, so another thing, you got 20 divided by 4 and times 3. In this operation, you only have division and multiplication. So from left to right, I will take 20 divided by 4 is first calculation. 20 divided by 4, you got 5. About multiply 3, I will repeat it like this. So 5 times 3, you got 15. Okay, that is the first two examples for this kind of exercise. Another form of multiplication and division at the same operation, you will have 6 divided by 3 and plus 10 times multiply 2 like this. So how about this one? For this one, you have division, you have multiplication, and you also have addition. So the first thing you have to do is you have to take the division and multiplication first. And it means you will take from left to right. You got 6 divided by 3, you got 2. And about multiplication, you got 10 times 2, you got 20. So after that, I repeat 20 plus 2 like this. So from this one calculation very easy. 2 plus 20, you got 22. Yeah, that is the way how can you calculate the multiplication and division at the same time. And you should not forget the addition in here. Another way for this question, 8 times 3 minus 18 divided by 2. Okay, so how can you take the order of this one? For this one, you have multiplication and you have division, but you also have subtraction. Okay, multiplication and division first. 8 times 3, 24. 18 divided by 2, 9. About subtraction is here. So 24 minus 9, you got 15 like this. 24 minus 9, you got 15 like this. Yeah, okay. A little bit different from the first form and the second form. In the first form, you just have two operations, multiply and division. But for the second form, you got 3 operations. Something like addition with multiplication and division, something like subtraction with multiplication and division. And this is the way how can you show your working out, and this is the order. You have priority for taking operation of multiplication and division first, and then you will take addition or subtraction depend on each question. Okay, so let's practice more about this kind of exercise. You got example 1 and example 2. Example 1, you have 2 operations. Example 2, you got 3 operations. Okay, start one by one. Example 1, you will take from left to right. From left to right, you got 9 multiply 4 first. Take it, calculate, you got 36. And then divide by 3, I repeat it. 36 divided by 3, you got 12. Example 2, I've got multiplication here and division here, so I will take it first. 36 for this one and 5 for this one, and then they have the addition. So for this one, you got 41 because 36 plus 5 equal to 41. Okay, move to another example. You got example 3, 8 times 5 divided by 4. Okay, only multiply and divide. So I will take from left to right. From left, 8 times 5, you got 40, and divide by 4, I repeat it, and then I'm got 10. Example 4, I'm got 18 divided by 3, divide by 9 plus 10 times 2. Okay, division and multiplication. So I will take this one first. This is 2 and this is 20, and they add together. So 2 plus 20, you got 22. Yeah, that is the way how can you solve the working out. Question 5. From left to right, I only have division and multiplication. 33 divided by 3, then take it first, equal to 11, and then multiply 5, I repeat. 11 times 5, you got 55. Question 6, you got multiplication, subtraction, and division, and I will take multiplication first. 17 times 2, you got 34. Minus here, I will repeat it because I have to take the division here for next operation. 20 divided by 10, you got 2. So 34 minus 2, you got 32. 7 times 2, you got 34. Minus 2, 32. Okay. Example 4. Example 7, you got division first, division and then multiplication next. 100 divided by 20, you got 5, and times 3, you got 5 times 3, 15. Okay, so multiplication and then division. Multiplication, you got 21 is my answer, and about division, 100 divided by 10, you got 10. Okay, about the addition, I repeat it. 21 plus 10, you got 31. You got 31. Okay, that is the question 8. Question 9 and question 10. Okay, for this one, 120 divided by 3. For this one, I got 40, and multiply 2, I repeat. 40 times 2, you got 80, and exercise 10, you got division first and then multiplication. For division, you got 2. For multiplication, you got 49. 2 plus 49, you got 51. So 51 is my final answer for this question. Okay, that is the way how can you combine division and multiplication in operation. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and this is not easy anymore, this is a little harder, so you should practice a lot about this exercise. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.